Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a document to the LinkedIn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the pause button down below, which is the third option. Then click on add the document, which is the fourth option. Select the document that you would like to upload. So tap on the relevant one, and here you should add the title to describe your document into the first box. Here you can find the document itself. If you slide to the right side, you can check out the whole document. As you can see, it is 4 pages long, so tap on the next button to insert it into your post. You can add your comments to it, you can add your hashtags. Then tap on the post button in the upper right corner of the screen to post it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.